So this video is, I'm trying to keep it really short. To Electric Messiah, he commented on Joseph Martelli's video about how, oh, I wonder if this soup kitchen knows uh, that there's a sex offender uh, going to the soup kitchen. Are you, are you fucking serious? Are you serious, bro? Do you know what the clientele of a soup kitchen is? Okay. Um, it's sex offenders. It's homeless people. It's um, druggies. Okay. Um, they damn well know that these are the types of people who come to their soup kitchen. Um, so my guess is that if they cared, they wouldn't run a fucking soup kitchen and have it open to the have it open up to anyone to come in. So yeah, so obviously they must know. So yeah, goodbye.